Good morning, Moonfortians. Today I'll teach you the chapter number 9 of English grammar book, that is comparisons. So what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is comparisons. But before starting with today's class, I would like to revise the topic of describing words. Students, what are describing words? We have already discussed. So, describing words are the words which tells you more about the nouns. Describing words tells you more about the nouns. For example, this is a pink shirt. This is a pink shirt. The color, this word pink is telling you that the color of this shirt is pink. So, pink is a describing word. Shirt is a noun. It is a name of a thing. And pink is telling you that the color of the shirt is pink. So, this is a pink shirt. Pink is a describing word. Students, to the describing words, we also say adjectives. Describing words are also called adjectives. So, this was a revision of topic describing words, that is adjectives. Now, move on to a new topic, that is comparisons. Okay. See what is there in my hand, students? What is there? Pencil. But they are not same. This is a small pencil and this one is a big pencil. This is a small pencil and this is a big pencil. Okay. If I have to compare both these pencils, how I will say? This pencil is smaller than this pencil. I will say this pencil is smaller than this pencil because this one is a big one and it is a small pencil. Now we are comparing both these pencils. But how we have compared it? I'll tell you later. Firstly, you have to understand that what do you mean by comparison? Whenever we are comparing two things or two persons, that time that is comparison. Whenever we are comparing two things or two persons, that is comparison. Okay. One more example, students. I have two beautiful toys in my hand. Can you see? Two toys? Okay. Let's compare it. How we will compare? Firstly, describe this one. This is a small toy. This is a small toy. And this one is a big toy. This one is a big toy. Can you see the size of this toy? This teddy bear? It is big in size. And it is small in size. But now, if I have to compare both these teddy bears, how I will say? This teddy bear is bigger than this teddy bear. This teddy bear is bigger than this one. So now I am doing comparison. I am comparing this big teddy bear with the small one. Okay. So now comparison means that whenever we have to compare with the two things or two objects, it can be two persons, that is known as comparison. So there are two main points that you have to keep in your mind, that are whenever you have to write a comparative adjective, you have to add ER at the last of the describing word. You have to add ER letters at the last of the describing word. That time it will become the comparative form. To make its comparative form, what you have to add? ER letters at the last. And one more thing, in the sentences, to show comparison, we use the word than. THAN, than. Than word is used to show the comparison. Than word is used to show the comparison. So two things you have to keep in your mind. That is, you have to add ER at the last to make it the comparative form, and you have to write than. THAN, than, to show the comparison. So let us understand the chapter more further with the help of this PDF. As I already told you about the describing words, the words that tell us something more about naming words. Describing words are also called adjectives. They are also called adjectives. Students, describing words are adjectives. They tells you more about the naming words. They gives you the extra information about the nouns. There are some important points you have to remember. Comparison means to compare two naming words. when you have to compare the two naming words, that time we use these comparative adjectives. Describing words can show comparison. Okay. Third point, we add er at the end of a describing word and then to show comparison between two people or things. So we add er at the last, at the end of a describing word, and also we use the word than, than, than in the sentence to show the comparison between two persons or things. Example, Saras is taller than her brother. Saras is taller than her brother. Here we are doing the comparison. See, taller. Taller is an comparative adjective. This word is showing you the comparison. Saras is taller. Can you see taller? We have added er at the last, and there is also the word than, than. It tells you that we are doing comparison. Yes, than word tells you that we are doing comparison. Okay, so now let us start with the back exercise of this chapter. Let's get started. Read the sentences and circle the words which end in er. Now you have to circle the words which end in er. The words in which at last er is coming, that words you have to just circle it. My friend has a new school bag. It is newer than my school bag. Now can you see the first word? That is New Year. N-E-W-E-R. Er is coming at last, so you will circle it because it is a describing word and it is a comparative describing word. It is doing the comparison. Second, I have a new cricket bag. It is stronger than his cricket bag. It is stronger than his cricket bag. We are doing the comparison with his cricket bag. So stronger. Er is coming at last. You will circle it. My friend is taller than me. Now taller word. You will circle it. But I am faster than him. I am faster than him. You will circle faster. Our classroom is brighter than their classroom. Students, whenever we are doing the comparison, you will check these words. Than is coming in the sentence. Than, than. This will tell you that we are doing the comparison. Here brighter word is there. It is also a describing word. It is telling you more about the classroom. And in this er is there, so you will circle it. Come on to the page number 37. I hope that was clear to you. Circle. In this you have to circle the correct words. Circle the correct words. A exercise it is. First part, an elephant is dash than a horse. Options are given to you. Heavier, shorter. An elephant is dash than a horse. Elephant is heavier or shorter. Elephant is heavier or shorter. What you will use? Elephant is heavier than a horse. Elephant is having a lot of weight. So elephant is heavier than a horse. We are doing the comparison between elephant and horse. Here it will come heavier. Circle it. Second part, the rabbit's teeth are dash than a rat's. Options are bigger, shorter. Now what will come, students? The rabbit's teeth are bigger than a rat. Rabbit is big in size. Rat is small in size. So obviously rabbit's teeth are also big in size. So you will circle bigger. Bigger is a describing word telling you that rabbit's teeth are more bigger than the rat's. It is a describing word, bigger. He drives dash than his driver. He drives faster or quicker. Driving we are doing faster or quicker, students. We are doing fast. So it will come faster because we are using here comparative adjective. Faster. Her dress is dash than my dress. Taller or longer? Dress is always long. With dress we use the word long. So here it will come longer because we are using comparative adjective. Her dress is longer than my dress. Fifth, this rope is stronger or harder than that one. What will come now? This rope is stronger than that one. Stronger. Stronger is the correct word which we have to circle it here. B exercise now. Fill in the blanks by adding ER to the words given in the brackets. You just have to add the letters ER at the last. Whatever they have given to you in the bracket, you have to write that word. Then you have to add ER at the last. Let's start. This room is dash, then that one. Now they are comparing the two rooms. That this room is dash, then that one. In bracket they have given to us cold. Now what we will make? We have to add ER. It will become colder. This room is colder than that one. Second, the dining table is dash, then my study table. In bracket it is big. It will become bigger. Spelling will be of bigger. 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 The dining table is bigger than my study table. Dining table is always bigger than a study table. A park is dash, then a garden. Large is given to us. We will make it larger because we have to add ER at the last. Students, what does this ER shows you? Large, you know, large is a describing word. But when we are adding ER at the last, it becomes the comparative describing word. That we are doing now, the comparison. Park is larger than a garden. Fourth, grandmother is older than mother. Fifth, he is shorter than me. He is shorter than me. Sixth, my fingers are dash than my toes. Long is given to you. You will write longer. My fingers are longer than my toes. A feather is dash than a pen. A feather is dash than a pen. Light is given to us. You will write lighter. We will make it comparative form. A feather is lighter than a pen. 8. A Mohan is dash than Sham. Smart is given. We will make it smarter. Mohan is smarter than Sham. So this was your B exercise. By adding VR, we make it comparative form. We make it comparative form. Last question now. Let us write. Write 3 sentences using these describing words and naming words of your own. You have to write the sentence. You have to use some names and you have to complete these sentences using the given describing words. First, they have given already. They have done. A mouse is shorter than a cat. A mouse is shorter than a cat. It's done. Second, blank was there. Taller than a blank was there. Taller than. You can write any name. I have written Charvi is taller than Harshita. You can write your name also or your friend's name also. You can write it. Charvi is taller than Harshita. Dash is bigger than dash. I have written tree is bigger than plant because tree is always bigger than plant. Dash is longer than dash. Rope is longer than a pencil. Rope is longer than a pencil. So you can make your own sentences also, students. I hope the chapter of this comparisons is it clear to you. If any doubt is left, you can contact me. Have a good day, students. Bye-bye. Stay safe and stay at home.